Hi friends, Regina Cruz Morales here with Keller Williams Realty, and today I have the pleasure of introducing you to David, who is the owner of Corelli's Pantry located in downtown Clermont. David, tell us a little bit about your restaurant.
How are you, everybody? My name is David. I'm with Corelli's Pantry here. We have a specialty store here. It's all around shop. We have cakes, we have prepared foods, we have pizza, calzones, you name it. Fresh pastas, frozen foods, Italian groceries. We have a seating area. We have wines from all over. The best food you can ever eat. And don't forget, we have our wine strolls here every month. So come on down to Clermont and come visit us at Corelli's Pantry.
And they also have a fantastic lunch special, 2 huge slices
That's
of pizza and a soda for only $7. If you've never tried Corelli's food, it is absolutely fantastic. Definitely check it out. And they have some really awesome seating outside here too, in front of Montrose Street in downtown Clermont. They're also part of the $25 gift card giveaway, so go ahead and fill out the form online, and Friday we'll do the live drawing. Thank you so much.
Excellent.
And have an awesome day.
Thank you.